Bullish Near protocol cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $9.95 and $18.79 by 2030. Market experts accept Near could reach $7.74 by 2025. Bearish Near protocol market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.77. Near protocol presentation. Since its unassuming starting points with a little group in San Francisco, Near protocol has in practically no time developed to cooperate with a portion of the business top monsters, performing on a vertical direction since its commencement, with the declaration of an aggressive program to pull ahead in the crypto game and set the foundation for Web 3.0. The Near network is drawing in a lot of consideration. In this Near protocol audit, we'll assess the organization's key highlights, alongside specialized examination and our near future cost forecast. What is Near protocol? Near protocol is a Layer 1 public verification of stake blockchain zeroed in on building client and engineer cordial stages. The protocol was established in 2018 by Alexander Skidnov and Ilya Polosukhin, who recently held jobs in significant organizations like Microsoft and Google, consolidating their previous experience to its most prominent benefit. The pair at first had dreams of an AI project, yet ended up floating towards blockchain innovation. Before long, the Near protocol was conceived as a brilliant agreement fit blockchain. Near was intended to have dApps and spotlight on ease of use, contending with other shrewd agreement-empowered blockchains like Ethereum and EOS. Near has integrated a few elements to uplift ease of use and client comfort. For instance, the stage permits clients to cooperate with savvy contracts and dApps without requiring a wallet and consolidates intelligible record names close by crypto wallet addresses. One of Near's most aggressive projects is to make a permissionless, open, decentralized web a space where no organization, individual, or government can mediate. Near plans to stand separated from different stages like Meta, which it considers a one-sided, shut environment, and on second thought make a space where clients have the ability to control their own information. Near's answer is named the local area cloud, where clients can securely get and execute resources, character, and cache without requiring consent or outer stages. Near protocol has its own local token called Near, which is utilized to pay for capacity and exchange expenses on the stage. Near approves and finishes exchanges as well as gets the organization against malware and deceitful action by boosting validators with Near crypto tokens. With the Near protocol expected to explode further from here on out, the symbolic's worth is probably going to stick to this same pattern. Near protocol crucial investigation. While Near can measure up to existing stages like Microsoft Purplish Blue or Amazon Web Administrations, it has an extraordinary selling point. With the conveyed number of validators, the Near network is gotten with no weak link. This forestalls hacking, altering, and information misfortune, and furthermore counters different failures regularly found in most halfway controlled cloud stages. The Near protocol's essential objective is to enable clients to recapture control of their resources, information, and administration. Beneath, we've assessed a portion of the critical elements of the Near protocol. Adaptability. The most amazing part of Near's presentation is its speed and versatility. Utilizing its Doomslug block creation method and Nightshade sharding framework, the Near organization can deal with up to 100,000 exchanges each second, twofold that of contenders like Solana. The organization likewise concludes exchanges in under a moment, with a very low exchange charge. The mix of Nightshade and Doomslug helps increment throughput, further develop effectiveness, and lessen the heap on the organization, bringing about lightning-quick exchanges. Near protocol current cost. Near protocol is at present worth $2.21 USD. Near has moved 2.81% as of now with an exchanging volume of $431,680,705. Near protocol is at present position 31 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,840,423,649 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Near protocol to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Near protocol value expectation 2023. Near protocol, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Near cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $3.32. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $3.09 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable in the near future given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Near is supposed to have a base worth of $2.65. Near protocol value expectation 2024. In 2024, Near protocol Near cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of NEAR will before long outperform $5.53. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the NEAR's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, NEAR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4.42 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.86. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $7.74 and NEAR may benefit on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. NEAR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $7.07 and a low of $6.63 in 2025. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2026. In the event that NEAR Protocol effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the NEAR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, NEAR will be green in 2026. The NEAR is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $9.95, with a base cost of $8.84 and a typical cost of $9.28. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the NEAR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $11.50 by 2027, with a base cost of $11.05 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, NEAR has a greatest value worth of $12.16. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $13.71. On the off chance that NEAR figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $14.37. Neglecting to assemble the help NEAR needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $13.26. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2029. While NEAR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $15.47 and a yearly cost close above $16.58 in 2029. By 2030, NEAR Protocol will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $17.68 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $18.79, averaging out at $18.13. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should